Hi.
Hi. Welcome to Doreen Channel. Let's do arts. Hello everyone. This is Doreen Channel. First it's gonna be me, then her for our arts channel. So please subscribe for this video day to day because it's going to be coming daily days. First, I'm going to show you magical fruits aisle, and this is the magical fruits aisle. Here we go. The ear you see here, the the things that you find in the storm as usual. The star in the dark as usual in the dark, and in the heart as heartbroken, heart fixed, and the banana as if it's broken. Yeah, it's over here. And the watermelon, and it's almost going to go down. So I had to get some space to do the orange. Thank you. Now I'm ready to go. And hello guys, welcome to the Rain Channel. Today I'll show you my nice picture, and over you can see it. Like you see, this is magic fruits. You see, you know what it is? Apple. This is apple, this is banana, this is watermelon, and this is pineapple, and this is avocado. You know avocado? Or you guys know it. So, these are magic fruits. You see, I put some splashes after this to look good. Because the front of it looks so bad. So, that's the place not good. So, I think this is a lot, okay? So, art and craft, magic fruits. You see, it will be really nice. Okay? So, everything is now nice. So, bye.
Well, that's a very good heart, and I really hope that it comes to be more of our channels. Like we are, like this is our mom's channel, then we made ours. So I hope you like it, and I hope that you like and
Subscribe to
the
Doreen Channel.
Bye.